Today we'll show you how to make this cute car costume. Materials: 6 pieces of A4 card, tape, cutter, scissors, ruler, colour spray and black spray, glue gun, 4 cotton tape strips 40 inch by 1 inch, repositionable glue spray, felt pen, punch and riveting tool, large cardboard box, 4 silver paper dishes, 2 yellow cups. First, print and cut the printables. Then, we're going to trace on the cardboard car the silhouette of the car sections, following the measurements and the scheme included in the printable. Using the cutter, cut the 4 pieces of cardboard that will form a car. If you're going to make more cars, use these pieces to cut other cars. Glue the cardboard pieces using the tape. And also cover the top and bottom edges of the cardboard of the car. Now we are going to glue the circles in the centre of the silver dishes with repositionable adhesive spray, making sure to glue the edges well. We will keep the centre of the plate silver. Paint the silver plates black and remove the inner circle as soon as they dry so as it doesn't stick. Paint each car with the desired colour spray and let it dry overnight. Glue the windows and car registration plate using the glue gun. Make 4 holes at the ends of the car box. And at the ends of the tapes, using the punch function of the riveting and scissors. Cut 4 pieces of card from the printable cutouts and make holes in them. riveter, attach the 4 tapes by the end. Place each piece of card to the hole in the tape, making sure it is secure. Leaving 2 front and 2 behind. Leaving the tapes free so you can adjust the height to the height of the child. Finally, we glue the wheels to the car with the glue gun. What do you think of the result? Now it's your turn, and please leave your comments below and let us know what you think.